How to send Bitcoin or any other crypto to external wallet from PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guys. So in today's video I'll show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from PayPal to some other wallet. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So it depends on where you're trying to transfer from PayPal to Crypto.com or Coinbase or Binance, Robinhood and many other crypto applications. In this case I'll just select Crypto.com. And first of all you have to copy the wallet address from your Crypto.com app. So if you're transferring from Binance, you need to have your Binance wallet address. If you're transferring over to Coinbase, you need to have a Coinbase Bitcoin's wallet address. So once you've copied that wallet address, you can see this is the Crypto.com app, and then I'm going to copy this wallet address over here. Now once I've copied my wallet address, I'm going to open up PayPal, right? And then once I open up PayPal, you want to make sure you're under the Finances tab, and then you want to go to the Crypto tab, which is at the very top of the screen, as you can see. So once you tap on the Crypto tab over there, over here you'll be able to see the BTC that you want to transfer. So since in this case we want to transfer a Bitcoin, we're just going to select BTC over here, and then after that we're going to tap on this little arrow icon on the right hand side of the screen. When you tap on the arrow icon over here, you'll have the option to send or receive, but of course we are sending it, so we're just going to tap on the send option. Once you tap on the send option over here, we're just going to paste the wallet address we copied earlier. So if you're transferring to someone who already has PayPal, then in that case you can actually simply enter their PayPal name or email or whatever else. But if you're transferring to external wallet address, make sure you've copied the wallet address as I said, and then paste them over here, because make sure also that it is a valid Bitcoin wallet address. And once you've done that, just enter the dollars worth of BTC that you want to send and review all the transactions. If you want to send all, you can just tap on send all and hit the check button from the bottom. It'll ask you to review and send it. So right over here you'll be able to see all the details, and after you've reviewed it, just tap on the send button. And that's all it takes to send Bitcoin from PayPal to external wallet. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.